Good morning everyone, myself Sukhir.
I am Aryan.
I am Yuvraj.
We are students of 10th standard. Today we make the project. Today we make the project of this excavator, which is based on Pascal law. Pascal law states that the pressure is applied on confined fluid is transmitted equally to the all direction. To base this law, we made this excavator, in which we use syringes and two pipes. It works like that. This is bucket and this is arms. This work. This is operated by the operator hand. We use syringes and switches. This switches is used for backward and forward movement of this excavator like that. It moves forward and backward like this.